natural pace.
It's far faster than mine.
And everyone else.
I'm a mosier.
I'm a let's get there now.
Go with the flow. That's the only way to
I'm a monkey, you're a monkey, we're a monkey.
Wow. Just awesome. This might be one of my more favorite cues.
Yeah, this is awesome.
There's a lot to look at. It's like educational and stuff. Because facts and history and... Taylor. Whatnot. Did you get all the supplies you need before heading out on our trek, Taylor?
I don't think I'm dressed properly.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
My toes, will be okay?
It's summer. I'm pretty sure it's warm on Mount Everest in summer. In summer! That's very bright. Hair time out and
That's so much fun.
like, I don't know if the wait time's going to go down at all. Usually once a ride goes down in the morning, the wait time is just high the rest of the day.
Yeah, that's
but
true.
This is a ride that I would ride over again.
Even with that?
Even with that.
I want to let you know what's in store for you inside the theater. Flights to Wonder is our free flight bird show, so it features birds from all over the world. You're going to get a great chance to see a lot of birds, doing a lot of really cool behaviors, and you'll even have opportunities to take pictures throughout the entire show. Now that show is going to start at 12:30, so that is when the show is going to be. It's going to be about 17 minutes away from now, and so we have a few minutes before the gates are going to open up to let you inside the theater.
That's a Hadada ibis. That's Joe's alter ego.
I know they go right at the door. Oh, here they come.
So picture that as straight with my hand. It's a
Lily Woodbury name. Lily, this is your grade. All you have to do is hold on to it. On a count of 3, toss it straight in the air. Ready, Lily? 1, 2, 3. Look at that! And sir, you got a souvenir. This is why we bring the extra grades. All right, let's try this one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at that!
All right, there you are. Now, this is the second time today I have lost this tour crew. People, you have to follow the flag. Stay with me. That's how a tour works, people. You gotta stay with the guy. Hey.
Now, we've been joined by this cutie. His name is Groucho. Groucho, do you want to say hello? Yeah, and he's lived with us pretty much his whole life, and he's taken mimicry to a whole new level. Let's see if he wants to show it off. You ready, buddy? Harley is a hydro, and we're just like him, our family in Africa. But to show off just how smart he is, Ashton and all of a sudden he went on tour. Yeah, I'm looking for an adult with a doll. That's all we like. Okay, let's maybe start from this section. Just to set our pro. Right there in that greenish tank top, whatever color that is. Do you have a dollar on this? Oh, you can see right where you were. Oh, we need some money. Yeah, all right, so do you have a dollar? Or you're going to borrow. That's how it works in my family. Alright, well, dig it, sir. 5 and 10 is more great too. Okay, you gotta get all stand up for me. Hold your dollar out to your side. Just like this. Alright, Harley, what do you do when you want money? You take it! And where does it go? Yeah! Thank you, Harley. And thank you, Miss. Enjoy the show. Alright, let's try for 20. Okay, we're going to return this back. Stand up. Now this time you're all facing the sky. And all you have to do is wrap your fingertips around it so it doesn't blow away. Alright, we're going to slide it in. There you go. Wrap your fingertips. Perfect.
It's something you don't see every day.
What's that?
Yeah, buddy, back to the theme park. Now, the girls over at their start.
Well, hang on. They can even kind of turtle to us. Here's your Did you guys get it? They've also got those really long eyelashes. Protects their eyes out a lot. But how about a hand for our volunteers? They're awesome. Look at that flag. Joe, this is Frazier. Fraser Crane. And it was a living symbol of one of the most conservation success stories of our lifetime. You see, Joe, what about longer? Bald eagles like her are in danger of extinction, and their numbers drop so low, so quickly. Now, we were afraid that future generations never going to see birds like her out in the wild. That's what's going to happen. People took notice, and they took action. They cleaned up the waterways with the bald eagles fish. They stopped using a pesticide called UV2 that played a major role in this first aquarium.
We'd like to leave you with this wish. May your hearts take flight and your spirits soar.
So happy.
What do you think of Flights of Wonder?
You know what? That's one of those shows I'm always entertained by. It's like I grew up, my parents owned chickens, and I saw how stupid they were. So that they can train any bird to do some of the stuff they do is just like, whoa. So we just scanned in for our last scheduled Fast Pass of the day, and Taylor's already searching for what can be gotten next. What can be gotten?
It's all about the Fast Pass life.
About that FP life. Well, it's FP Plus now, but whatever. FP is more gangsta.
Let's see.
Are we gangsta?
Dinosaurs closed. Expedition Everest. Not until later. Festival of the Lion King. This again. Bug. Cali. Primeval World. I don't know. I don't see really anything that I want. Anything in particular you want?
Are there any like character meet and greets we can Fast Pass that you're interested in?
The only one is Minnie and Mickey, but they don't have any available times.
All right.
So just nah.
I guess nah.
All right, nah.
You said Tough to Be a Bug was dumb?
No. Do you want to see that?
It's a show?
Yeah.
I don't need to. I don't know. I've never seen it.
Okay, we can do that.
So if we're gonna like do something, we might as well do that.
Yeah. And that's kind of by Doug and Russell.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay, now put those two words together and say it both very, very loud. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more time.
Totally sweet.
Wow, did you hear that? Did you hear?
Oh, totally! Now put your heads together, human dudes! Cause you just talk like a turtle.
Yeah. Woo. I feel like more of a citizen of the world.
Welcome to Finding Nemo, the musical. Please remember.
Let's name the songs, the songs, the songs. Let's name the songs of the open sea. Forward, explorers!
Look at us! We're gonna touch the butt! Come on, Nemo! How far can you go? Well, my dad says it isn't safe, but what if you guys Nemo?
No, you can't be anywhere near here.
I wasn't going to!
We'll try school again next year.
But Dad!
You don't think you can't swim that? You can't now, come along. You think that you can do these things. You are wrong.
I hate you!
Nemo, what are you doing? You come back here. You are in big trouble, young man. You hear me? Big, big. Nemo! No! Oh, I'm coming, Nemo. Wait. No. Have you seen a boat?
A boat! I've seen a boat! Follow me!
Thank you.
Do you mind?
What?
I'm trying to swim here.
But we're trying to find Nemo. You were showing me where the boat went.
A boat! I've seen a boat! Follow me! Do I know you?
Yes. You're showing me which way the boat went.
A boat! Hey, I've seen a boat.
We already did this.
We did? Oh dear.
There are other ways out of this place, remember? All trains lead to the ocean. We got a sink right there. And a toilet over there.
Ew.
Besides, you got your dad out there looking for you. Bet he's on his way right now.
Not my dad. He's not brave enough.
Daddy's got you.
Daddy!
Nemo.
Dad! Dad, I don't hate you!
No. I'm so sorry, Nemo. Hey, guess what? I met a sea turtle, and he was 150!
150? But Sandy
Sandy Plankton! Do you think after everything I've been through, I don't know as much as Sandy Plankton?
Bye, Elmo!
Nemo.
Bye, Dory! Bye, Dad!
Bye, son.
So Jake's first time seeing Finding Nemo. What'd you think?
Okay, so first of all, like, I heart live theater, okay? So seeing live theater in general is always an exciting thing for me. And then to have like a condensed version of a movie that I already really like, because I like Finding Nemo. It was really good, like a lot of talent there. And
Yeah.
I think you can tell the guy that does Crush has been there doing it for a while, because I don't know, he just, like, his level of confidence was very, I thought he was the best character.
Oh,
I thought
he definitely has the best voice in the show. The guy that plays Marlin's really good too.
Yeah. Yeah, it was really good, and it's like a longer thing, so it's a good opportunity to like rest.
Yeah, yeah.
And even
It goes fast though. It's like 35 minutes long, but it was so fast.
It's very entertaining. Some of the parts I was like at one point they talked about him like traveling across the ocean and getting ankle biters. At some point, they're like the other fish were talking about him traveling across the ocean and like getting blown out of a whale's like.
Yeah, and it didn't happen. It's
And
you
I
have
was
to. You have to know the movie to understand that that's how they got to Sydney.
Right, and I was like, huh, they're really packing it down. But yeah, no, I mean, I think there wasn't a person in there that was like, this is dumb. Even the like fully grown middle-aged woman sitting next to me was like at the end, it's good stuff. Would
Yeah,
recommend.
I love it. I love it. I'm glad Jake liked it too. That would have been terrible if he would have been like, that was awful.
Horrible.
Why did we do
I don't know how
that?
anybody could feel that way about it.
So where are we going now?
We're gonna go meet Doug and Russell.
Yeah, this is the one that we're willing to wait in line for because we love them.
Russell is my spirit animal, or Carl. I don't know which one.
You're a mixture of both.
Yeah, depends on the day. But either way, I heart Doug, so I
Yeah.
Doug.
We're excited. We'll show you when we get it. he's looking. There's a duck. There's a duck. He's distracted. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Oh, you want it? You want to borrow it? Okay, go ahead.
You guys see their buttons? It's Mr. Fredrickson. He got the backpack on.
All right.
Very cool.
It looks good on you.
I mean, he's skipping school just to be here with you guys.
Oh my goodness. I'm not supposed to know that, am I? Okay, I won't tell anyone. All right. We're just recording.
Oh, okay. All right, we're actually going to be looking over here. All right, everyone, just wave to the camera. Very. Oh, very nice, Russell. Doug, you want to give it a lick? Perfect. Beautiful. Now it's all nice and clean.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Of course.
What?
Everything you did.
Oh, yes. Sorry. Was that everything you wished it was and more?
I think I wish it wasn't more. I don't understand, like, it's pretty apparent when they're up there moving around that they can't see anything
No.
from those costumes, but from, like, you know, across the little staging area, he could see that we had it
Yeah.
back, and then when we got within, like, you know, groping distance, which is really all they could do with those,
Yeah.
they noticed that we had the Mr. Fredrickson
Yeah.
Ellie buttons, and it was like,
Here, let's
I
just
don't know,
hang
I
out.
feel like that's, the attention to detail is pretty extreme there.
Hi. What are we doing?
Been encouraged to take pictures.
No, I'm recording you. What are we doing?
Waiting.
You did.
4.
Tough to be there.
It's tough to be a bug.
Yeah.
Jake's never done this before. I think I've only done this once, and it was a long time ago.
So
It's 3D. Jake doesn't see color too well, so
good now. So
it should be interesting. But
I chuckled at the characters from Bugs Life. I thought that was very funny.
yeah, Bugs Life is cute. So we're gonna see that, and we'll see you afterwards. Look at this dinosaur that's gonna eat Jake, though.
Oh boy. Rar.
Right.
Rar, am I right? Why is that here?
Because it's the Tree of Life.
It's tough to do. No way.
Yeah, we're
We're like in the Tree of Life right now.
yeah. Did you not know that?
I had no idea.
Yeah,
I wasn't
tough
paying
to-
attention how.
It's tough to be a bug is under the Tree of Life. See? Goes under that way.
See? Tree of Life, see?
We shopped a little before this.
I'm touching the Tree of Life, you guys. You guys, I'm breathing inside the Tree of Life. I'm wearing sunglasses inside the Tree of Life.
All right, I'm cutting you off now.
I'm also doing the inside the Tree of Life. I thought you were cutting me off. Did you cut me?
It's tough to be a bug. We're under the Tree of Life.
Yeah, we're looking at posters under the Tree of Life. I'm wearing 3D glasses under the Tree of Life.
You look real cool.
Wow, it's like you're in 3D.
Can you reach out and touch me?
Yes.
No, stop that.
We are under the Tree of Life right now. How cool
We're gonna
is
see
that?
bugs. I don't really like bugs, but I like these bugs.
Party pooper.
And welcome to the Tree of Life Theater. Just to be reminded for everyone, our show contains dark and special effects and language that will be too intense for some viewers. So when you leave the theater for any reason, the exit doors are going to be on your left-hand side. Just go down to the end of your row and you can move on.
Well,
It's cute. It makes me a little nauseous. I have to close one eye.
yeah, the 3D thing is weird for me too.
Yeah, I don't know. It just makes me a little sick. So I have to close my eyes sometimes, so I don't like bomb.com everywhere. But I like it. And it's cute. It's real short.
I feel a little bit violated.
Yeah, they like poke you in the butt and stuff.
Yeah.
It's weird.
No, not the cast members. Like,
No, not the cast members. The
yeah,
seats.
the seats poke you in the butt.
They poke you in the butt.
Spontaneously. Pneumatics and things, you understand. Anyway, so that's about to happen. All the stormage. Do you think we should like seek shelter somewhere, or?
I mean, I think we're okay for right now.
I don't know, man. It's getting windy.
Yeah. Do you want to like just? I think. What time is it? The buses to Disney Springs should start in a few minutes. Once we get to the front, we can probably wait. Do you just want to go to Disney Springs?
Yeah, and what do you want to do there? Just like shop around,
we can
drink
have a
around,
drink, get something to
or
eat.
several. But you didn't want to eat here?
It's up to you. Do you want to eat here first? There's a really good barbecue place.
Did you want to have barbecue? I know how you feel about
I'm
barbecue.
not a barbecue fan, but
Yeah, and I certainly don't need to have
okay.
barbecue.
Then we will not have barbecue.
Okay. There's better places to eat in Disney Springs.
Yeah.
Probably.
We can get Earl a sandwich.
Yeah, I like that place.
Too. All right. Oh, we're gonna do that then.
Is a little ominous looking, and I think I'm getting sprinkled on. So yeah, camera's going away for the time being. Talk to you in a bit. Oh, she. Oh.
Good thing I have quick reflexes.